High Foam TFR is a traffic film remover with a rich dense foam, a long-lasting cling and excellent cleaning power. High Foam TFR is perfect for any truckers, hauliers or owners of any large vehicle who need a long-lasting foam coupled with real cleaning power. This winning combination enables you to clean even the largest vehicles without the detergent slipping off or surfaces drying out. Essentially, we took all the best bits of snow foam and married them with the chemical efficiency of a TFR, and we're going to show you this today in action. You can apply High Foam TFR using a bottle foamer or an injector. Today, we are using this Karcher Professional unit and a quality aftermarket foam lance. High Foam TFR comes ready to use. There is no need to dilute. Simply insert the chemical pipe into the container and adjust the dilution until you get the foam you need. We recommend a 2 to 5% mix as a good starting point. Spray evenly onto the vehicle, starting with the lower areas, and work your way up. You can see High Foam TFR is clinging to the surface, giving us plenty of time to work on the vehicle. We can easily get around this entire 16.5 metre vehicle with the foam still in place. As long as the foam is in contact with the surface, it is loosening and removing dirt, helping us to clean more efficiently. Once we are happy the vehicle is clean, it is time to rinse with the pressure washer. The carefully selected surfactants in High Foam TFR encapsulate the dirt and hold it in suspension, allowing it to be easily rinsed away, so you can complete the clean quickly and efficiently, leaving nothing but a gleaming vehicle behind. High Foam TFR, rich dense foam, long-lasting cling, excellent cleaning power.